Okay, guys, you're going to have a Schoology assignment for this, for today's assignment. So I'm going to do these 4 problems with you. Make sure you pay attention because the problems in Schoology are very similar to this. So you're going to have to do the same thing that I'm doing on these 4 problems. The first problem is talking about area of a particular triangle, and the formula is given. So the formula is very important. Every time you see a formula or an equation, make sure that you use that. It says where S is the length of the smaller side, what is the length of the smaller side? So I need X because I'm going to change these two X's when I put them in decimals. So right here, I have X parenthesis X plus 4 close parentheses equals 192. Okay, so move my stuff around. I have 12. And where's the other one? It might be on the negative side. And it is on the negative side. But remember, when we're talking about real life situations, we can only use positive numbers. So it has to be the positive 12. Solo números positivos porque son cosas de la vida real. So the smallest side is 12 centimeters. Okay, so that's how you're going to do the problem in decimals. The bottom says Cole kicked the football. They gave you an equation, so we're going to change those to Y's and X's. Describing the height of the ball T minutes after it was kicked. Approximately how many seconds went before the ball hit the ground? Hit the ground. So we're going to type our equation in here. We are using Y's and X's, so it's Y equals, not H equals, negative 16X squared plus 60X. Okay? And we can zoom out. Or zoom in. So zoom out. This is where it got to the very top. Okay? I don't care about the top. I want when it hits the ground. This is where it started. It goes up, up. It hits the maximum, and then it comes back down. This is when it hits the ground at 3.75 seconds. So they want you to round. This is approximately. So 3.75 seconds is closest to 3.8 seconds. Okay? Pretty simple. Next page. All right, so right here it says, the Orpheum Theater seats 600 people. Lately, the theater has been filled every night, blah, 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 blah. They gave us an equation. If the owner wants to make this amount as profit, what is the least amount he can raise the price of the tickets? So this is what you're going to do with this one. You're going to type the equation in here. Y equals 3,000 plus 350x minus 50x squared. Okay? Then you're going to open up your settings because I want the table. Okay, I want the table, and I want when I make this amount of money. When will I make this amount of money? What is the least? Oops. Let me get my marker. The least. Okay? So my answer choices are 3, 5, 2, 250. So here's 2. Okay, I reached the 3,500 that I wanted. But let's check 2.5. Enter. Let's check 3. Enter. And let's check 5. Enter. Because those are my answers. 3, 5, 2, and 2.5. So, oh, I can't see. Why can't I see? I gotta make it bigger. Nope. What about right here? Okay, there we go. So right here I reached 3,500, and right here I reached 3,500. But it's the least one. Least means the smallest. Okay? Lo menos. So it is at $2. That's when I made it at 3,500. Okay? And then the last one says to find the sum of the first and positive integers, the formula, we use this formula, so we're going to put this in Desmos, is used when S is the sum and N is the number of integers. How many integers begin with 1? How many integers beginning with 1 are needed to give the sum of 820? So we're going to do the same thing that we did here. We're going to type the equation and go look at the table. So I have y equals 1/2, go over to the side, x squared plus 1/2, go over to the side, x. Go to settings, open the table, because I want to see when I get to 820. So I'm going to type my answers, right? 36, I'm going to type it right here, 36, enter. That didn't give me 820. 39, enter. That didn't give me 820. 40, enter. That gave me 820. And 42, enter. That did not give me 820. So we're looking for the one that gives me 820. And that's how you're going to do those problems. Now I need you to go to Schoology. So everybody go to your Schoology courses, and whatever period you have, Algebra 1 or Algebraic Reasoning, go to Calendar, Fit 6 Weeks, and it's at the very bottom underneath the calendar. It's this one right here. Solving Quadratic World Problems 352.2019. Okay, so click it and go ahead and start on it. You have a few tries. So if you get it wrong the first time, go ahead and try it again. But use Desmos. Go ahead and split screen. If you don't know how to split screen, have somebody do it for you.